Hello, this is Mr. Minger here. I know things are a little bit different right now that you're not in school. Teachers are trying to get things out to you right now. Probably a lot of teachers probably already have contacted you. Now, so you would have me, if you're watching this video, you would be in my fourth hour class, seventh grade. Now, most of you have had me in previous years. Um, so you'd kind of know the routine, but some of you are new. So, um, and we would have started fourth quarter the next time you came back to school, but unfortunately that hasn't happened. So um, that's why trying to get materials out to you in a different way. Now, this class for now, while you're home, will not be required. So you don't have to do this like you do in like math and science and that. But I wanted to get some things out to you, so if you have time, that you could do this stuff because all the other quarters have done this throughout the year, and you don't want to get too far behind, I guess. So usually what we do in class the first few days is work on typing.com. Now, those of you that have had me, you're familiar with that site. So I am going to make a video here. The rest of this video is kind of going to show you how to log in and stuff to get started on that. So I don't think it's kind of unfortunate that we're in this predicament here. I miss seeing you guys. Well, maybe not quite as much at lunch and recess. No, no, but I do miss all the students. It's been, I mean, maybe a few days were kind of nice to have off, but it's this has been, seems like it's been too long, and I just like to be able to get back into a routine would be nice. But it is what it is right now, so we'll deal with it. So the rest of this video then is going to be kind of to show you how to get logged into your account, because I did make you an account on typing.com, and I want you to use that. Now, if you can't get logged in, you can always email me, or you can actually create your own account, and I can get you into the class later. So it's not to the end of the world if you don't get signed into your account. Just make sure you are, if you don't get the account that I made for you, that you at least create one. Okay, so we'll start there. Now, hopefully we'll get other things done too, and I'll send some more assignments out, but since nothing's required for this class right now, so really get your other subjects done first. I think this is really important, but um, the state said that this is not required. A computer class is not required right now. Okay, so get your other classes done and then work on this if you can. Okay, obviously you need to be at a computer. If you can't get to one and you can't do this right now, like I said, just don't worry about it. But see if you can get some and knock some of these lessons out. Okay. All right, so I'm going to start to show you then how to get signed in. All right, so I'm at the computer now, so I'm going to show you how to get logged into the typing.com site. Most of you, again, have done this in the past, so you're familiar with it, but I just thought I'd show you and what to get started on here. So I'm just going to open up a Chrome window here. It's typing.com, so I'm just going to simply type that into the address bar. You're going to want to go to student login up in the upper right here. So go to student login. Now your email, well, it asks for username or email, so you're going to type in what technically your username is. I could have put your email in, but I just used usernames. So your username, it's the same pattern as we've done before. It's your last name, first letter of your first name, and then what grade you're at, which is 7. So, for instance, if my name was Joe Schmo, okay, so I type in my last name, Schmo, J7. And I think I was able to get that for everybody. Xander, if you're watching this, I used X for your first name. So it'd be negative 2x7. But everybody else should be pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so go to next. So it's going to ask for a password. Now your password is set. It's just your 5-digit lunch code, nothing else. Okay. For this one, I actually had 6 digits, but yours is your 5-digit lunch code. Again, if you have trouble, you can email me at any time if you have any questions about logging in or if you don't know your 5-digit code. You should be able to find that through Teacher Ease too, I think. Now I'm just going to hit next. All right, then you're in your lessons, okay? You're going to start with intermediate. Now last year we should have done some of the intermediate, but we're going to start with the intermediate with this account. Now, if you haven't had typing at all, or you would really feel more comfortable doing the beginner, I'm totally fine with that. Okay, there's 12 sets of lessons here in the intermediate, and then in beginner there's a little bit more, but I think we'll just do two at a time. Okay, so for this week, just do 2 sets of lessons. Okay, so if you're doing intermediate, which most of you should be doing, do the common English words, easy home row words. Okay, but if you want to go to the beginner, and it may be good just to start off this way for everybody, at least the first one. They do have the beginner especially has some good videos here. Okay, so if you never had...
Hello there.
That's
Get ready to
pretty
boost your
loud.
typing skills and have fun with
But
it. You might be asking yourself, why should I?
this video's
Let's look at it this
pretty
way.
helpful at the beginning of most of these. In the beginner, they have some really helpful videos that kind of help you, remind you of home row. Remember ASDF with your left hand, JKL semicolon with your right. So really concentrate on that. And if I go to one of the lessons here, so common English words, really focus on these hands here. I'd rather you look at these hands than down at your own. We have used the speed skins, those orange covers in the half. Obviously you don't have to worry about that, but really try to look at these hands. I mean, they tell you exactly what finger should go to what key, so really try to concentrate on that. Keep focused on these hands. That's why I like this program. All right, so as you type something out, these are just some random words here. You'll want to do the best that you can, but accuracy is important too. So don't get too caught up in the words per minute, but hopefully as you do it, you start to see yourself building speed. Okay, so you can kind of see your progress as you go here. So there's 19 exercises in this set of lessons. So if you do, like I said, 2 sets of lessons. So for most of you, common English words and easy home row words. Okay, at least to start off, give you something to do. You can work ahead. You can definitely work ahead. That's no problem. All right, so that'll kind of introduce you to the class. Sorry it's taken a little while. I didn't know exactly how we were going to do this as a school, so I hope you're all safe and enjoying the time with your families. I think that's been one kind of positive thing about this, I guess. Maybe you're sick of your families, but enjoy that time. And hopefully we'll be back. We're scheduled to be out of school through April 30th, so hopefully at the beginning of May we can be back, maybe even sooner. Who knows? Okay, so well, that will give you something to do, and usually what we start off with in computer tech. Hope to do more, but we'll see. So I'll probably send out another video next week is kind of the plan as of right now. Okay, see ya.